How to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can buy the Steam gift card on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To buy a Steam gift card on Amazon, open the Amazon application. Now there is the official website from Steam themselves if you want to buy a gift card, but you can also use trusted Amazon products. In the Amazon app you can simply go ahead and search for Steam gift card here, right? So you can select a digital code instead. Now digital code means that you will get the code in your email, which you can actually go ahead and then basically redeem them. If you select physical, you'll have to wait for the gift card to arrive at your doorstep, but digital code means that it will arrive in your email right after you purchase it. So right here you can see all the different sort of gift cards. Now I would always ask you to check the reviews of that gift card, because sometimes it could also be a scam, you never know. So just check the number of purchases that in that particular gift card, and also make sure to check the, let's say, the rating and the reviews of all those gift cards, and you can add to cart and buy now option there. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically buy Steam gift card with Amazon. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.